Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to delete your Discord account using your app or web browser. First, go to deleto.app. There, you can find Discord and follow the step-by-step instructions with me. Let's begin by opening your Discord app or going to the Discord website and logging into your account. I've already done that. Now look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a little gear icon right next to your name. That's the User Settings button. Click on it to open your settings. Next, in the menu, go to My Account. This page shows all your account information. Important: if you own any servers, you'll need to transfer or delete them first. Otherwise, the option to delete your account won't appear. After that's taken care of, scroll down and click Delete Account. Discord will ask you to confirm. Type in your password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter your 2FA code as well. Finally, click Delete Account once more to confirm. Your account will then be scheduled for permanent deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Discord account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out deleteo.app, where you'll find easy guides for deleting your accounts or downloading your data from different apps. You can also find your accounts using your email, phone number, or username, and check if your data has been leaked.